ट्रस्ट मी। तो चलो साथ में देखते हैं। We are going into the jungle. I can see the road now.
All these are chestnut trees. Look at this.
Chestnuts. There's one inside. I'm not able to remove it. Look at this. काटे चुभ रहे हैं. That's the jungle from where we came. Now we have found the road.
Wow, these are so lovely. There's a house. Oh, someone is sitting and staring at me.
There are some kiwis over there. Let me show you.
See, there's one here. There are so many over there. Kiwi. Kiwi.
No one should find me here, or else they'll scold me. Chalo, chalo. Outskirts of Japan. My house is here, near this place. Maple trees.
What is this? I don't know. If you know, please let me know in the comment section.
That's someone's house. They have this maple tree and it's looking so good. So I came here. They shouldn't see me or they'll scold.
Look at that. They are oranges. Well, can I go there? Let me see if I can go close and show you all that tree. Wow, what is this? It looks so good. Yeah, those are oranges. So many oranges. Well, we cannot just pick those. It's Japan, not India, or else I would have taken all of them.
It's really cold now, around 10 degrees. There's a school over here, I think. I can hear voices of children.
これは、お年寄り、おじいちゃん、おばあちゃん、シルバーたちがこう来るところ、デイサービスっていう。
That's a daycare for old people. That's what that lady told. And this is a daycare for children. So people who work drop their children and parents here while going for work.
Before I thought it's a restaurant, but it's a daycare.
They all are eating something inside. Look at that, a park. How peaceful it would be sitting over there on those benches.
So lovely.
That's a park. So many children here today. I think they came for a picnic.
That's such a nice place to just sit and relax. People have come here for a picnic. Are the students learning something sitting over here? Wow, so nice, no? Now I'm going back to my house. My house is one among these.
Some trees haven't yet shed their leaves. Persimmons. It's the same fruit which I showed you all in the supermarket video. A lot of people are seen here jogging, running. I'm back home. So guys, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share.
This is the place where I live. I'll show you my house also sometime. Bye bye.